So if your Wi-Fi is not working for your Floodlight cam, I know how frustrating it is, and I was looking for the solution for this issue, and this is what I found. So this like Eddie Mini Road, I had the same problem. My Floodlight cam wouldn't connect to our Wi-Fi. It wouldn't even have find anything, because yes, you can try, if you can have like different router you have like really far, then try to put it closer. Maybe that is going to like have an extender. But look at this, that was on my Samsung phone, so we try on an iPhone and it worked without any problems. Just thought I'd add this for others who are having problems. So this is my advice as well. If you can connect it, try to have different device. Let's say you have Android, try to do it with the iPhone, and maybe it's going to work out. And I just wanted to make this quick video for everybody out there who got a problem with the Floodlight cam, that how you can actually solve this issue. Try it out and let me down in the comments if it also helps you. So have a great day and goodbye.